Hello? But yeah, anyways, let me tell you about Zoro. The nerve, the audacity she has. To free the McDonald's in front of me, my bro. Yo, that's how. My bro, she fried it in front of me. Yeah. Yeah, then she still, oh, then she trying to make me laugh. I can see it in her friend, my bro. Yo, she's a 9. She's a push, Mackenzie. Yeah. 9 did get money to do. But you're gonna see with me now. I'm gonna go down. And I'm gonna look for Cat for the rice. She's cleaning the kitchen. I first wanna go straight there to see what she's gonna say. Yeah, she's cleaning the kitchen. I'm also surprised she's cleaning the kitchen. Don't worry. Yeah. Nah, I'm gonna order me food now. Don't worry. Yeah. Mackenzie, you het gefriet. I kon also order for you. Nah, I take bloody gefriet by you, man. Ooh, yeah, I also don't wanna hear about that story. It's a story for another time. Yeah, okay. I love you too. Bye. Nah, I'm gonna tell you again what happened later. You just buy a visa with I. But okay. Yeah, okay, bye.